let's show you what's going on out there. And it is, well, quiet, which is good. We've got a weekend started, and we've got some pretty tranquil weather for that weekend. High pressure off to the east, low pressure off to the west. Right here, this low, this front, this is the trouble that's coming in for the end of the weekend. So that's what we're really going to be keeping an eye on. This one is secondary, but it's a stalled front. You remember that low that was back across Arkansas, Missouri, dove south, and clipped Paducah with that rain earlier in the week? Well, that front still stalled down south, and we'll have just enough moisture coming out from this low down to our south and east that there could be a few showers and thunder showers into the afternoon today. Now, tomorrow we're between those systems, and we'll have an increase in moisture. A southwesterly flow gets established. This is where scattered showers and storms kick in. So Saturday afternoon, keep your head up if you're going to be out and about. If you've got any, games with the kids planned outside, anything of that nature, anything outdoors planned, watch out. And then into the evening, since a lot of that will be daytime heating driven, I think a lot of them will diminish. But then here comes that boundary I was talking about. That front's going to drop in, throw showers and storms our way late in the weekend, most likely by Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and then potentially edging into early next week. In the short term through Saturday, hit or miss nature of this, you could be talking a few tenths of an inch, upwards of a half an inch or more of rain from some of these scattered storms. But then when you get hit with that main wave Sunday into Monday, that's where we may get up to an inch or more of rain at the end of the weekend. So yeah, we can end up with some decent precipitation out of this. In fact, the rainfall outlook Friday through Sunday shows about the same. The green, an indication of a few tenths of an inch. You get into that blue, that's where you're starting to push a half an inch to an inch down toward the Tennessee border. You expand it out Friday through Thursday. It doesn't change a whole lot here, but it's interesting when you broaden the view and look at it nationally, because look at this bullseye down over Texas. Now, this is a double-edged sword because they could be in for significant heavy rain, flash flooding all the way from parts of Arizona, New Mexico into Texas. But this is also one of the areas that is extremely drought-stricken, so they will also receive some beneficial rainfall. But when you get into a drought of this level, this historic drought, and you're that dry and the ground is that hard-packed, it's hard for it to initially absorb the water, so you get a lot of extra runoff. So yeah, flash flooding would be a huge concern there as well. So kind of one of those be careful what you wish for departments. We still have a hint of drought hanging on into western Kentucky, a little blob of some moderate to severe drought just south of Paducah. And here within the LAX 18 viewing area, there is no official drought status, which is good. We managed to erase that with the rain that we've had. 58 for the dew point, so we're still in that comfortable range. You're going to notice the dew point temperature rising over the weekend, an indication of rising mugginess, and you can see it getting up into the 60s. So we won't get into that oppressive tropical stuff, but you will notice that by Saturday, but especially into Sunday, that it's going to start to get muggy out there. So for today, pretty limited chance to see much in the way of storms. Could be a few this afternoon. I think it'll be isolated here in the bluegrass. The better chance for at least a few of them likely be in our southeastern counties. Tomorrow into the afternoon, scattered showers and storms develops. Keep an eye out for that Saturday, and then the more widespread rainfall kicking in late in the weekend, early next week.